So, just wanted to let everybody know I got a new tool for the tractor. Got a spear, a little hay spear. Got it off of Amazon. Only like 240 bucks, I think, something like that. 230 bucks. But it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna get it put on. I got the two little spikes down there. I just put the spear on. I believe it is 42 inches long, something like that. Not too bad. It had these clamps, hose clamps on there. So I got to tighten these down. That's what the impact's for. So I think about a 5-inch should do it. Or a 5-inch, 5mm socket. Might have to. Might have to put a 14 on there or something. Anyways, I am going to get that all put together and get it on the tractor. She went on pretty good, guys. Might have to move over. There we go. Look at that. I already got something on there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby.